We have almost finished. We have almost finished. Dusa n'abamaze kurangiza. Just now. Just now. Ubungubu. Aka kanya. Examples: I saw him just now. I saw him just now. Maze kumubona aka kanya. She called me just now. She called me just now. Ampamagaye aka kanya. He left just now. He left just now. Agiye aka kanya. Nibwo amaze kugenda. They arrived just now. They arrived just now. Bageze hano aka kanya. By. By. Bitarenze cyangwa se mbere ya. Examples: come back by 6. Come back by 6. Ugaruke bitarenze saa 12. Finish the work by Friday. Finish the work by Friday. Uzarangiza akazi bitarenze kuwa gatanu. I will call you by tomorrow. I will call you by tomorrow. Nzaguhamagara bitarenze ejo. Be here by 8 a.m. Be here by 8 a.m. Ube wageze hano bitarenze saa 2 za mu gitondo. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uyu munsi none tugiye kwiga amagambo nka just now, by, within, from, ago, once, twice, every, each, other, another, enough, to, evening, almost, ndetse n'andi menshi akunda gukoreshwa mu rurimi rw'Icyongereza. Niba ukeneye kwihugura ku rurimi rw'Icyongereza cyangwa se ururimi rw'Igifaransa, twandikire kuri WhatsApp number ubona muri screen yawe. Send it by Monday. Send it by Monday. Uyohereze bitarenze kuwa mbere. Pay me by the end of the month. Pay me by the end of the month. Uzanyishyure bitarenze mu mpera z'ukwezi. We need an answer by tomorrow. We need an answer by tomorrow. Dukeneye igisubizo bitarenze ejo. Within. Within. Mu gihe kitarenze icyatanzwe. Examples: I will finish within an hour. I will finish within an hour. Ndaza kurangiza mu gihe kitarenze isaha. She will come within 2 days. She will come within 2 days. Araza kuza mu gihe kitarenze iminsi 2. Please reply within 24 hours. Please reply within 24 hours. Ndakwinginze usubize mu gihe kitarenze amasaha 24. The money will arrive within a week. The money will arrive within a week. Amafaranga araza kuhagera mu gihe kitarenze icyumweru. From. From. Kuva cyangwa se uhereye. Examples: I work from Monday to Friday. I work from Monday to Friday. Nkora kuva ku wa mbere kugera ku wa gatanu. The shop is open from 8. The shop is open from 8. Amaduka afungura guhera saa 2 za mu gitondo. I lived there from 2018 to 2020. I lived there from 2018 to 2020. Nabaye hariya kuva mu mwaka wa 2018 kugeza mu mwaka wa 2020. We will start from tomorrow. We will start from tomorrow. Tuzatangira guhera ejo. From tuyikoresha nanone tuvuga aho umuntu aturuka. Examples: I came from Kigali. naje mvuye i Kigali. She's from Rwanda. She's from Rwanda. Akomoka mu Rwanda. This train comes from Nairobi. This train comes from Nairobi. Iyi gari ya moshi iva i Nairobi. He walked from home. He walked from home. Yaje n'amaguru avuye mu rugo. Ijambo rikurikira ni ago, hashize. I met him a week ago. I met him a week ago. Nahuye nawe icyumweru gishize. She called me 2 hours ago. She called me 2 hours ago. Yampamagaye amasaha 2 ashize. We moved here 5 years ago. We moved here 5 years ago. Twimukiye hano imyaka 5 ishize. He left 10 minutes ago. He left 10 minutes ago. Yagiye iminota 10 ishize. Once. Once. Rimwe cyangwa se igihe kimwe. Examples: I met him once. Nahuye nawe rimwe gusa. I met him once. Nahuye nawe inshuro imwe gusa cyangwa se rimwe gusa. She called me once. Yampamagaye rimwe. I went there once. I went there once. Nagiye hariya rimwe. We talked once. We talked once. Twaganiriye rimwe gusa. Once, ubusobanuro bwa kabiri ni ako kanya. Examples: once you finish, call me. Once you finish, call me. Numara kurangiza uzampamagare. Ukimara kurangiza uzahita umpamagara ako kanya. Once he arrives, we will start. Once he arrives, we will start. Namara kuhagera turatangira. Ako kanya kimara kuhagera turahita dutangira. Once you understand, it becomes easy. Once you understand, it becomes easy. Iyo umaze kubyumva biroroha. Ako kanya ukimara kubyumva bita byoroha. Once she knows the truth, she will understand. Once she knows the truth, she will understand. Namara kumenya ukuri azabyumva. Ako kanya akimara kumenya ukuri azahita abyumva. Twice. 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 Kabiri. Cyangwa se inshuro ebyiri. I called him twice. I called him twice. Namuhamagaye kabiri. Cyangwa se namuhamagaye inshuro ebyiri. She visits me twice a week. She visits me twice a week. Ansura kabiri mu cyumweru cyangwa se ansura inshuro ebyiri mu cyumweru. I have seen that movie twice. I have seen that movie twice. Narebye iyo filime kabiri cyangwa se narebye iyo filime inshuro ebyiri. He goes there twice a month. He goes there twice a month. Ajyayo kabiri mu kwezi. Every. Every. Buri. Examples: I study every day. I study every day. Niga buri munsi. She calls me every morning. She calls me every morning. Arampamagara buri gitondo. We meet every week. We meet every week. Duhura buri cyumweru. He works every Sunday. He works every Sunday. Akora buri ku cyumweru. Each. Each. Buri umwe cyangwa se buri kimwe. Examples: each student has a book. Each student has a book. Buri munyeshuri afite igitabo. Each person has a choice. Each person has a choice. Buri muntu afite amahitamo. Each child received a gift. Each child received a gift. Buri mwana yahawe impano. Each room has a door. Each room has a door. Buri cyumba gifite umuryango. Other, undi cyangwa se ikindi. Examples: I need another pen. I need another pen. Nkeneye ikaramu yindi. Talk to the other teacher. Talk to the other teacher. Vugana n'undi mwarimu. Cyangwa se vugisha undi mwarimu. Do you have another idea? Do you have another idea? Ufite ikindi gitekerezo? Let's try another way. Let's try another way. Reka tugerageze ubundi buryo. Some people work hard, other people don't. Some people work hard, other people don't. Abantu bamwe bakora cyane, abandi ntibakora cyane. I like this one more than the other one. I like this one more than the other one. Iyi niyo nkunda kurusha iriya. She has two bags, one is black and the other is blue. She has two bags, one is black and the other is blue. Afite amasakoshi abiri, imwe ni umukara, indi ni ubururu. We need other options. We need other options. Dukeneye andi mahitamo. Another, undi, ikindi cyangwa se irindi. Examples: give me another chance. Give me another chance. Mpa andi mahirwe. I need another cup of tea. I need another cup of tea. Nkeneye ikindi gikombe cy'icyayi. Let's try another way. Let's try another way. Reka tugerageze ubundi buryo. Can I ask another question? Can I ask another question? Nabaza ikindi kibazo. Enough. Enough. Bihagije. Examples: I have enough money. I have enough money. Mfite amafaranga ahagije. We have enough food. We have enough food. Dufite ibiryo bihagije. She has enough time. She has enough time. Afite igihe gihagije. They have enough chairs. They have enough chairs. Bafite intebe zihagije. You are old enough. You are old enough. Uri mukuru bihagije cyangwa se urakuze bihagije. He is strong enough. He is strong enough. Arakomeye bihagije. The room is big enough. The room is big enough. Icyumba ni kinini bihagije. She is good enough for the job. She is good enough for the job. Ashoboye bihagije kuri ako kazi. To. Birenze urugero cyangwa se nanone. It is too hot. It is too hot. Harashyushye cyane birenze urugero. The bag is too heavy. Isakoshi iraremereye cyane. He speaks too fast. He speaks too fast. Avuga vuba cyane birenze urugero. This room is too small. This room is too small. Iki cyumba ni gito cyane birenze urugero. Ubwa kabiri, iyi to isobanura nanone, ni nka also. Examples: I like it too. I like it too. Nanone ndabikunda. Cyangwa se nanjye ndabikunda. She's coming too. She's coming too. Nawe araza. He speaks French too. He speaks French too. Nawe avuga Igifaransa. I want to go too. I want to go too. Nanjye ndashaka kujyayo. Cyangwa se nanjye ndashaka kugenda. Even, even ndetse na. Examples: even children understand this. Even children understand this. Ndetse n'abana barabyumva. He didn't even call me. He didn't even call me. Ndetse ntiyigeze anampamagara. She can even speak French. She can even speak French. Ashobora no kuvuga Igifaransa. I didn't even see him. I didn't even see him. Ndetse sinigeze mubona. Ijambo rikurikiye ni almost. Almost. Hafi cyangwa se habura gato. Examples: I am almost ready. I am almost ready. Ni nkaho niteguye. Harabura gato. She's almost here. She's almost here. Ari hafi kugera hano. We have almost finished. We have almost finished. Dusa n'abamaze kurangiza. It is almost midnight. It is almost midnight. Harabura gato ngo ibe saa sita z'ijoro. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share and comment.